I'm going to show you how to make Blackberry Earl Grey ice cream today. Hi, I'm Maria with Wellness Lifestyle Kitchen. We're going to take two delicious flavors of fresh blackberries and Earl Grey tea. The reason Earl Grey tea is a great companion to blackberries is because it's very fragrant, and that combination with the blackberries enhances the flavor of the blackberries. Bergamot is a fruit found in Italy, and it's a cross between an orange and a lemon. The first thing we want to do is heat the dairy, bring it to 160 degrees, and then we're going to steep the tea for 5 minutes. 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of half and half. Bring the temperature up to 160 degrees, and then that's when we'll add the tea. We're using 2 bags of this Tazo organic Earl Grey. Gotcha! The cats like it too. 159, yeah, there it is, 160. So we're gonna drop these in here and let it steep for 5 minutes. We'll take the tea bags out. I remember my grandma doing this with the tea bags, like squeezing them.
Oh, yeah, that's a very cool
Isn't
trick.
that cool?
I've never seen that before.
Yep, I learned this from my grandmother. They knew it all. Okay. Let's mix this up a little bit. This will have to cool down before we can use it in the base. So if you want to stick it in a fridge or just wait until it cools down, then you can proceed to the next step. We're going to use this entire container of blackberries. This is a 12-ounce container, and I've measured it out here. It's about 3 cups of blackberries. We're going to take 1 teaspoon baking soda, sprinkle it over the fruit, and then pour cold water over the fruit. We'll want to drain them, and then run cold water to rinse them thoroughly. Using lemon in fruit-forward recipes like blackberry or even strawberry enhances the flavor. For this recipe, we'll want to use about half a teaspoon of the lemon rind to help pull out that flavor from the blackberries. It's time to blend the blackberries and make a puree out of them. Oh, that smells so good. We're keeping this recipe simple. If you haven't seen our roasted strawberry recipe yet, there is another way of getting the most flavor out of fruit, especially berries, and that is by roasting them. I may try roasting them next time to make a better version of this. Now comes the fun part. Because blackberries have such invasive seeds, I don't mind them, but my husband does not like them. And I'm guessing a lot of people don't either. But we want to run these through a strainer in order to remove all of the seeds. I grew up drinking blackberry juice in Costa Rica, and my grandmother did not strain the seeds. So I got used to them. They're really not that big of a deal, but I can totally see it. For ice cream, we want the ice cream to be smooth and not be competing with seeds. Okay. This takes a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth the effort. It's looking good. I think we have about that much in here. We use an allulose blend for all of our ice cream recipes. The reason we do this is because it's a perfect substitute to regular sugar. This allulose blend is 1-to-1 sugar, so therefore if you use a half a cup of allulose, it equals to half a cup of sugar. I created a sweetener guide that shows you the different types of sweeteners and how they work with ice cream. You can access it by scanning the QR code. Now it's time to begin assembling our base. This is the 3 cups of dairy that we steeped the Earl Grey tea earlier. It is fully cooled down. Ooh, look at that beautiful color. Next, we'll be adding 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is for improving the texture of the ice cream. We'll add the lemon rind. We don't want to overmix it so that the heavy whipping cream doesn't eventually turn into whipped cream. We are going to do a test of the base here, just to make sure that all of the flavors work well together. Ooh, that's lovely. Oh, I like that flavor. What do you think, babe?
That's
Isn't that nice?
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very, it's a gourmet elevated type
Interesting,
of blackberry.
good, not interesting,
Yeah.
mysterious.
Making ice cream at home has been a game changer for us. We have been using this ice cream attachment for several years now. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is cool it down in your freezer and add the base to it. In about 20 minutes, you will have fresh homemade ice cream. Better ingredients, no sugar, and all the taste. Tasting time is my favorite part. Oh yes. Delicious. This is going in the book, for sure. You wanna try it, hun?
I do. That's such a unique
It's more than
flavor.
just blackberry. It is the infusion of the Earl Grey tea with the blackberry makes it such a nice, subtle combination, pulling the blackberry out. Look at that texture.
Oh.
Oops, collapse. It's very much soft serve.